everybody, my name is Miguel Gonzalez. I am from Costa Rica. I'm 35 years old. I have been a drummer for 20 plus years now. Out of those 20 years, around 13, 14 of being a power metal drummer. Currently, I'm with two bands, Concordia, that's power metal, who guessed, and Amethyst, that's melodic gothic metal. Currently, the drumsticks that I use from Collision are the 5BRs and the 7ERs. When I need to play blast beats or death metal or stuff around about 280 BPM, these things, the 7ERs, I love them. They get the job done for me. Several things I love from Collision, it's the variety of drumsticks that they have. Second thing is the accessibility they have for the product to pretty much everybody. Like, it's very easy to get access to the product. That's something that actually blew my mind. And the third thing that I like, it's the bond that they create with the people. That is something that you don't see these days. Right now for you guys, I'm going to play a drum cover from a legend in power metal, Rhapsody. Here's Emerald's Word.